Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Highlight Story Vlog. Here we go again. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Vero Villa. We have a team building celebration today. Kasama ko ngayon. Mamaya papasok kami doon sa loob. Abangan nyo kami mamaya. Bye.
Welcome to Vero Villa Tacloban, the ultimate luxury home rental experience. Imagine stepping into a breathtaking retreat, surrounded by lush greenery and warm tropical breeze, where every detail is meticulously designed to provide unparalleled comfort and style. Our exquisite villa offers a haven of relaxation and indulgence, perfect for those seeking a luxurious getaway. Enjoy seamless connectivity with our smart home features, including Amazon Alexa integration, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with just the sound of your voice. The expansive living room features large windows that frame the stunning views, creating a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. Our private pool offers breathtaking views, perfect for sun-kissed afternoons or starry night swims. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, ideal for culinary enthusiasts to showcase their skills. Luxurious bedrooms feature plush furnishings, sumptuous linens, and ensuite bathrooms with spa-like amenities, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Our dedicated team is always available to cater to your every need, providing exceptional service that exceeds your expectations. Vero Villa Tacloban is powered by solar energy, reducing our carbon footprint and ensuring a guilt-free, luxury experience that doesn't compromise on performance. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, or enjoying a romantic dinner in the villa's serene surroundings. Experience the epitome of luxury living in Vero Villa Tacloban, where every moment is designed to be unforgettable. Book your stay now and indulge in the ultimate luxury home rental experience, where luxury, sustainability, and unparalleled comfort come together to create memories that will last a lifetime. As you unwind in our villa, you'll discover the perfect blend of modern luxury and natural beauty. From the soothing sounds of nature to the lavish amenities at your fingertips, every aspect of Vero Villa Tacloban is designed to provide a truly exceptional experience. Book your stay now and experience the best of luxury living in Tacloban.
Okay, nandito na kami guys. Papasok kami.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vero Villa. Kain na ka mo! Come here.
Wow.
Next na eh. Wait,
Sulod.
ay na ba pa kanina na eh, kapag kita.
Miss Aray. Okay. Kabukusan na.
Sulod niya
Ay
guys.
ba? Sikaran, may bisita. Pag kailangan gate, katapusan ng gate.
Sorpresa. Wow, napakaganda guys. There. Tapusan. Salaset.
Few inches later.
Guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng Vero Villa. Ito yung side niya. Ito yung kusina. Dito silang ref. Glass yan, glass. Yung glass. Glass. Ito yung lutoanan. Napakaganda. Mamaya pupunta tayo dun sa taas.
Ani itu takure spesial betul ani dia apa dan tuan ani dia apa rice cooker ini bakso ini yang
So ngayon, punta tayo sa taas.
diri kita maigo na tanan dito trong kay desyo na igo adto 8
Taas nila. Yun. Kwarto dito, kwarto doon. Ladies room and boys room. Dito si Mark Diudi. Nakahawayan. Ito yung kwarto nila guys.
Butang din dito yung mga bag.
Yun. Pasok. Ito kami sa taas. Uy, may swimming pool na dito.
Ano siya pagsaga na tagbaw? Kumaro kayo na swimming pool. Saga na tagbaw.
Alright, guys. Kwarto.
Tinala.
Itong kwarto.
A few moments later.
Kwarto din to. Para sa mga guests. Ito din. Para sa mga guests. Napakaganda. At dito kami sa third floor. Third floor naman. Ito. Bilyaran. Biro Bilya. Naka-solar panel sila. Walang brownout. Yung dart at saka bilyaran.